Okay, you can start your discussion.
So, gentlemen, let's prioritize our aim, like what our problems.
The first-
so, I
the
guess
first
the
priority
first
should be
problem
given to
would
the
be the
injured
bleeding
person.
person who is
But our
bleeding.
main,
He is the
but
factory
our main
manager.
aim is to reach Manpur at a function by 1 p.m.
Yes.
That is our main
We have
aim,
to-
but
we
our
have to
problem-
we have- but according to the problems, we have to prioritize as
bleeding
just
on
22 and
The injured man
from
and the
injured man.
and second is the chemicals.
We have to
lead documents of the chemical
We
factory.
have to apprehend the people who have taken the
No,
document.
gentlemen,
as
chemicals
are more
It
dangerous.
should be chemical factory because if we are not able to maintain the chemicals,
So we need to
yes,
prioritize
there could be a
second
chance
and
of
We need
chemical
to
leak.
inform the chemical factory that
Gentlemen,
the
we
temperature
have
fever has been
problem
for the restoration of the
mind that
Gentlemen, if you would not prioritize the chemical rising temperature of chemical, it can cause a lot
Yes,
of loss.
I
think
agree with chest number 9
That's
as workers are also working there, so it can
It should be our
many workers. So
And
I
should
think
be our
chemical
secondary.
chemical-
I think it's
chemical
all-
restoration-
our third priority should be
I
the
want to
So,
highlight a point that I believe chemical restoration is not a problem because these
Gentlemen, I
chemicals.
think most of the group believe that second should be the priority.
Yeah,
Yes, as
bro,
chemical can harm
but
it.
I want to bring into consideration that these restoration needs when chemicals begin to go out of the service. They don't work as usual.
as you can see,
Yes,
for
yes,
like
yes,
perfect
yes,
2 degrees Celsius. On the reach the temperature is Celsius, then
It is important
It is important. That's why the bleeding have this problem.
Friends, I
Otherwise,
think
why
two
would
problems
he
have
have
been solved. So I think the other two
For the third
problems
problem
are
could be
there. The
the-
third problem is
Yes,
the
the-
double
the-
information.
leaked information of the factory,
Who is going
chemical
to-
factory.
Yes, and the
Yes,
fourth problem
yes,
is the man whose
Man
bike got
who
punctured
want-
and
By-
was
by
We
got
want to
punctured.
bring his relative at the Chala BHC center.
So it was mentioned that we were, riding by early bus and were reaching Manpur. So we were at the lake and there we can, just take
Assume
a
hourly bus
So,
to
we
the
have-
chemical
And the time
factory.
now is 8 a.m.
The
Gentlemen,
time
now
right
it
now
is-
when is
we can
8
go
a.m.
down vehicle from-
So from here, what we can actually do is that the bus has already left. So till
We
the
can
next
now
bus.
board any vehicle from the highway.
Friends, we
We
can-
can take the help from any pass. First,
Rather than-
we
yes.
will give the first
I
aid
agree
to the
with
bleeding.
Chester
Yes,
saying
number
on
eight.
this, rather than taking
Waiting
the
for the
we
bus,
can
we
take
can-
a pass by
yes.
vehicle.
Stop and pass it by.
Yeah,
Yes.
pass by vehicle,
Yeah, if we get a passing by vehicle, that is really
Friends,
good.
I think we should
But
first
I
divide
believe
the-
we shall-
as it is
we should
highway,
first
divide the
divide
group
the
I
into
believe
four
in
task.
our task.
I
In how
believe
many
we shall
groups we
formulate
want
our
to
plan,
achieve this,
plan
all
on the
the tasks.
resources
Just
which
number
are
38 I
available
limited
to us.
We can simultaneously solve two problems. Like first one is the person who wants to go
Gentlemen,
to the
as
relative
highway,
to
if
meet
we
the
have
relative.
if we have
We have group of 10 people.
We have to divide the group into subgroup of three, I think.
When he came to meet to his relative at Chala.
Yes, so we
have
can
a
take
group
the
of
help of a passing by
So
vehicle
we
and
can
reach
take the
Chala
help of
first.
any passerby and also
Take an injured person
Like we
there.
can simultaneously solve two problems.
Yeah, passerby is right, but we will not be relying on any hypothetical resources. Rather, we would implement the
Just number
resources
38
which
is
are
not a hypothetical situation as it is highway. So it is
Since the
considered that
bike
passerby will pass.
We are
passerby
forgetting-
vehicle can
we are
passerby
college
vehicle can pass. There is
students, so we
no
can
doubt
now
on that.
fix
But we
that
do
line
not
in
know
our
whether
plan.
they stop.
And
We do not know.
meanwhile,
There are so many
we can
hypothetical
apply the
scenarios
bus
for
rate to
that.
the injured
But
person and
if we rely
stop this
heavily on the
bleeding.
bus services, then we will be able to come up with a plan that would be more reliable.
Friends, I think
But
friends,
services
So we
are,
shall go
we
with the
cannot wait for
resources.
1 hour.
So resources are there.
We cannot wait for 1 hour
Yes,
because the bus services are either bleeding
Otherwise,
person would be
we are
We are forgetting that Chala is just 2 kilometers away.
As far as the first priority, the bleeding person. So we need to take him to Chala.
Yes,
So
the
from there-
Simultaneously, we can solve two problems. The person who wants to meet his relative and the person who was
Yeah,
bleeding.
for that bus
Both of them
services-
can go
for
there
that bus
in Chala.
services-
Friends, the most fastest way to solve this problem is to take the injured man and the person who wants to reach Chala. It's a pass my vehicle, so two problems will be solved
Solved simultaneously.
And that will take only 2 people.
Just number
The
17.
man who wants to meet
Like with both of them are two members can go there.
Just number 8. Just number 8. As I have got a point that we should consider that the person is not injured that much. We can.
No.
Because he was tied and
Even that
So friends, we can just we have a first
And
aid
we have to
kit.
untie him.
Let me complete. We can give him normal first aid, clean his wounds, and take him to the.
No, we cannot compromise life.
Wait, gentlemen. We can take him to the VA post so that he can identify the workers.
VA post would be very far away from the forest.
I want to listen to everyone's point.
I think there will be no need of identifying the workers as they are in the chain.
Just number 4 have a very
Gentlemen,
But but the fourth person have written in their mind
Gentlemen,
something
I-
that
I-
we are not aware of.
So gentlemen,
That
I
has to be
think
taken care of.
many
So
of
there
us are
would be
thinking
there-
that we have to solve the two
Gentlemen,
problems
should be a
simultaneously.
possible that people would be,
the person is bleeding
stopping the
profusely
train
and
and we'll get
as far as identifying the workers at the VA post, so they will pull out the chain and
Yeah.
only workers will come out. So we can
Gentlemen, many
identify.
of
But we
us
have to
are
reach the
thinking the
VA
same that we
before
should
9 AM or
simultaneously
around
solve
9
the
AM.
two problems.
Gentlemen, as
But
clearly
we will reach there.
specified
You
that
should
the
keep in
person
mind
was
that the
bleeding
Chala village is not far away.
not
It is
this one
only
is
25
like-
kilometers.
As for the bleeding, we can just stop the bleeding of the
Yeah, first
of the
aid is a
worker in the
priority
first
that-
aid and would report it to the primary health care at the Chala.
We should just go to our second problem.
Sorted
Before
problem.
that-
That
Yeah,
is
let's
like
estimate
we
the
can
time.
wait for the early, we can wait
Gentlemen,
for the early
while
bus service.
solving the problems, we must consider time as well.
Yes, to reach
Here-
Chala, this
here-
is around
here
3
if you
kilometers.
can-
2 kilometers,
Right.
so it will
It's
take
like
out
3 kilometers at max.
20 to 25 minutes.
So 5 kilometers,
Chest number 38, I think that
5 minutes to take.
chest
No,
number
I
38.
think it will take 10 minutes around to
10 to 15 minutes would be
Yeah,
convenient.
15 minutes.
to-
By
So
15
it
minutes
will
we can
be-
go
it
on
will be
foot.
10:30 to reach
And what
there
will be the mode of
to
transport?
treat the bleeding.
I think
So gentlemen, we have left with the two problems.
By
First was
8:30.
the
Even if we do not get any passerby vehicle, we can also go to the
I think
clinic by walking. Very, it is not far away, and we have a plenty of 2 hours of time before.
Chest
going
number
to-
40 thing, I think that the man who are heading towards Chala, he is having his relatives already there. They might be having some bikes or
Yes,
vehicles already.
bikes
we can
or
also
vehicles,
take some-
definitely.
He could help us in giving the
Gentlemen, we
vehicle
have
so that
done
we
with
can
the-
head towards the chemical.
So gentlemen, we are done with the first and our last problem. That was the bleeding person and the person who wants to go to the relative to meet his relative. Now let's discuss the second problem,
Second
which
problem
was
would be
to go to the chemical
before I
factory
mentioned,
and
we can
to
take
tell
the
them about the
vehicle of the
restoration.
relatives there and
Yeah.
to reach the VA post junction, and from there we can reach the VA
Actually,
post.
chest number 9 is
Like we should first take go to the chemical
and
factory.
then we could come to the
I
VA
think
post.
four
Same
So gentlemen, so
Four
here
people.
I
Our
will-
second problem should be
I will-
to tell the
owner
chemical
of
factory.
chemical factory has
Listen,
given
gentlemen,
to us,
like
and in the factory there would be 4 vehicles. So we can go to the chemical factory and use the vehicle with the help of other
Like gentlemen, we can assume it's 9 AM till now.
And we need to
We have
make a
done
group of at
solved
least
the
6
two
to 7
problems and
persons
the
to
early
go
bus
there.
service has came.
No, we
Yeah,
cannot
yeah,
doing.
yeah.
I would like to say we should not be doing task consecutively rather than divide ourselves into
Chest number 38, I
Just
think
number
that-
38, I
and I
think
think
just
that
number
the
8 has
vehicle
to
we had
give
taken,
some point.
it should be a 4-wheeler vehicle, so we could take our
We would divide our group. One would drop at the VA post junction and one would at the chemical factory.
Actually, what I want to say is that you should first.
I think we can go with the timing at 9
9
AM till reaching the lake from that Chala and to Ring.
Because the early bus would be, the early bus service would be coming.
And one
really stop a person.
Rather than waiting for a
Yes,
line
but
of
first
bus,
and the foremost-
we can take the
Like it's a lake, to make maybe there
Gentlemen,
would
we
be
are
any
left with-
stoppage point for the bus.
So gentlemen, I think I have a idea. As we have helped the,
Gentlemen,
as we have helped
yes,
the
yes, number
person's
nine.
bike got punctured, he would provide a speaker at the
Yeah,
Chala.
and
Just
we
number
can,
eight,
we can also take care of that punctured bike.
Gentlemen,
We can-
after
we can
reaching- after
take
reaching-
help of their bike also.
Right, I
So,
think
with the help of
Gentlemen,
that
we
bike,
should not-
I think
about 10 to 15 minutes. Instead of going all the persons to Chala, the
Gentlemen,
one group will
I want to
solve the
bring
problem
into everyone's
and
highlight
take that vehicle.
there is a chemical factory and the keys of it has been already given to us. So we can go to chemical factory and there, since it is a factory, there would be vehicles for supply.
And we can also take some workers who can help to identify them.
So the thing
Yeah,
is,
definitely.
So to reach the chemical
Yes, the
factory, we can
identification
use
of
the
the
early
To
bus
take some
service.
workers from the
Like
chemical
we can,
factory, which would help in
so
identifying.
early bus
early bus service
9 AM.
9 AM, so it won't
And
affect.
it is 1 hour, so
We can
can't
assume-
afford 1 hour of wait.
yeah,
But we can
look,
afford
but what is exactly given us is the
Like right now, if we see, it is 25 degrees Celsius because at 5 AM it was 22.
just number 11, as we have specified that we have
Just
we
number
have army
38,
services,
just number
but
38, there is no problem of boarding any vehicle. If we discuss the problem with the people, they will automatically help us.
Exactly, they
Yes,
will
yes,
I think the best way is to take the vehicle at the Chala and to reach chemical factory.
Yes.
There are as just number 30
Also,
there
we
would
can
be
take also
vehicles.
take the help of passerby to reach chemical factory and the vehicle
So this problem is solved.
reach to VA post.
We will-
And
we
from
will
the
restore the
chemical
vehicle.
factory,
And
we
we
can
would
take
need
the
a
vehicle to
minimum
the
of
VA
group of 5
post.
to 6 persons to go to a VA post and have chemical
Yes,
factory.
Now we should focus on what we will do after reaching the VA post. I think that it is a railway post, so railway is having its own internal
communication
landline
Own communication system.
So we
So
should
they
inform
can
the
make
RPM
inform the.
and then we
They
will.
say from the RKM personnel which is there
so
in the
so
field.
last 1 minute is
Gentlemen,
left, so
I
we have to just hurry it up and conclude our story. So what the thing is that we have effectively divided us
Yes.
into a team of members for which for the chala and the other two tasks I think 4 people should be needed.
Yes.
So to carry the
Or-
injured man for 3 kilometers, so 3 people must be needed because
Again, the
Gentlemen, I
person
think
who
that
would be
is-
going to
Yes,
Chala
yes,
can also
yes,
inform
yes,
the
yes,
police
yes,
authorities about the
And
meeting and the
we can vote
stolen documents.
as the person is
and one
injured,
person would
anyone
be
can
needed. One person would be needed to take the vehicle, punctured vehicle. So 4 would be there. Six are left. So 6 people as everyone else were.
I think that there is
Would
no
go to the
chemical factory and take the workers with the helicopter.
Yeah.
They can catch the persons and
So
all.
the next team would be six people are left. So team of 3
Friends, we
three
should
can
be
be
clear
divided.
about the
3 people would
dividing
be
of
Going to the chemical
I
factory.
think that
Yeah.
we should divide the group in 3 parts. That is 4-3-3. 4-3-3.
Yeah,
433. Good.
Yeah, 4-3-3 that has been
Four will
decided.
go to the chemical factory and 3 will go to Shala for helping the
Four can
people.
go to Chala because
Four
one
can
of
go to
them-
Chala because they will be resolving 2 problems. Other person has a punctured
Right,
vehicle,
I think that
so he
they-
can help with the punctured vehicle, and since it is
Right,
And
right.
in Chala, one of us can also
can help
go
with
to
going
the
to the
inform
child.
the
We
authorities.
can also help carrying that person. That is
We
we
should
should not focus on the punctured vehicle. We should focus that
3 people would be
somehow we
needed
should
to
reach
kilometers.
Chala.
Friends, the main problem was to take the man who wants to reach Chala. So we
Yeah,
would
yeah.
just take him to the primary.
So,
health center.
gentlemen,
We would admit the person,
conclude it.
injured person to come
Gentlemen, we
back.
haven't discussed what we will do at
I think at the last,
At VA post, there will be people who would be
Pulling the chain.
pulling the chain
Pulling
and
the chain.
stopping the train. Once they do that, we'll just go and apprehend them and stop them from
how we
passing
would be
the.
reaching the chemical
Or we can go to the
Like, or that one of
So
Like
the
the-
next important task is how are we going to reach the chemical factory?
So fine.
So for that, as we are already there,
We
on
can
the
go
map,
there by
Yeah,
the
we come from the
ambassador
Chala
or
to
by
the chemical
any
factory.
means.
We can take a bike or any vehicle from Chala and
Yeah.
reach to chemical
it
factory.
is a highway, as every one of you is highlighting. There would be some vehicle.
yes,
Chala,
Chala,
we have taken the
There will be some
I
people
know,
but
yeah,
now get
so
confirmed
decide
because
where all the
Chala
groups will meet.
Yeah,
So at the Manipur junction,
At the junction.
chemical factory junction,
At the junction.
they can meet around 11
They can
a.m.
meet and they can took the early bus service to reach the.
Test number 38 has given some valuable points.
Gentlemen, we are a group of 10 people. We have came from Gunjanpur, and we have to go to Manpur. We have to reach there by 1 p.m. for a ceremony. So right now we are at a lake and we have encountered 4 problems, which are: first one, there is a bleeding man. Second, we have to go to the chemical factory and help in the restoration of chemical. Third, we have to apprehend certain factory workers. And fourth one is to take the man to meet his relative at Chala. So first and fourth priority we will be doing the same. For that we have divided ourselves into teams 4-3-3. So a team of 4-3 people will carry the injured man and take him to the Chala. One person will accompany the man whose vehicle is punctured. So they will go to Chala. The timing for that is, since it is at max 3 kilometers, so 15 minutes for taking the injured man, and same goes 15 minutes. 15 minutes for the vehicle as well. So by 8:30 they can go. By 8:15 they can go and admit the man, and by 8:30 they can return here. There they will wait for half an hour. The next early bus will come at 9 a.m. By that they will come and regroup at Manpur. So first and fourth problems have been resolved. Second and third. So for second and third problems, we are here at lake, and the distance that we can see is at max 7 kilometers. So there would be 2 things that we would be doing. If a vehicle is passing by, then we will take the help of that vehicle. If not, then we will take the early bus. That would be at 9 hours. But since we have discussed that there would be a vehicle passing by before that, so we'll be taking that vehicle, and that 2 teams of 3 and 3 each, we will go at the 3 will go to the chemical factory and help in the restoration of the chemicals. Other 3 will take the vehicle from the chemical factory and will drive to the VA post. So the distance, so the time needed for that, from here to here, it's about 7 kilometers. So 14 minutes if the bus or vehicle it moves by a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Since the train here will reach about at 9, since it was running from 40 kilometers per hour, so the time estimated to reach at VA point would be 9 a.m. So before 9 a.m. 3 people have to reach here. So we will take a vehicle from here. The time would be about 8:30 approx, and from here they will go to the VA point. It will take hardly about 20 minutes because it is a non-metal road, but a vehicle can be derived with a speed of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. So there they will apprehend the person, and within 20 minutes they can come back again. So that the time for their regroup would be about 9:30. By 9:30 they will regroup and go for Manpur and attend their function, that is at 1 a.m. Thank you.
As a group have come to a conclusion that we are a group of 10 students and going to attend a ceremony at Manpur from Gunjanpur. So we were in a bus, we were in college bus and we were going to Manpur. Meanwhile, we took a rest at lake, and from there we entangled with 4 problems and we have solved them. So the problems with priorities are the first is the profusely bleeding manager of the chemical factory, and the second is the to solve the problem of that sharing of documents from the goons which were there to solve that problem, and the third is about the chemical factory to restore the chemicals there, and the fourth will be about that the bike person whose bike has been punctured to leave him there at Chala village. So firstly we will divide our subgroups into 3 parts. So the first subgroup will comprise of 4 persons, and they will go with their bus to the Chala village, and 2 persons will carry the profusely bleeding person and 2 will go with that bike person, and they will go to the Chala and there they will admit that person and then they will come back. So the distance is approximately 2 kilometers, so it will take 20 minutes to them for this. And the second subgroup, the distance, this is approximately 4 kilometers, 1 kilometer this and the 3 kilometers this one, as it is a footpath, so they can run from here. So it will take approximately 4 kilometers, so it will take approximately 20 to 25 minutes to reach there. There they will take help of the VA post security personnel also, and from their help they can catch those persons from sharing the documents, and later the third subgroup is about that 4 persons who are taking, no, it is of 2 persons. They will run by the time. Meanwhile, they will come by the bus they will take them and they will go to restore the chemicals at the chemical factory. And after that, they all will meet at this junction, and from here they will go to attend the ceremony at Manpur approximately by 12 p.m. and later they have attended their ceremony and they have again reached to their.
What are the other GPs you have done earlier? What is the difference in this GP? Basically, what you had to do, you had to calculate the time. So you should not get restricted to one particular thing. यार GP आएगा उसमें train इतने बजे आएगी. Here what was happening? What only speed was given. So you have to calculate कि train कितने बजे पहुंचेगी वहाँ पर. So then earlier I had not given any how you have come there, how this thing, that left to your assumption, तुम कैसे आए हो कैसे गए हो. But in the third group I have told that it is an hourly bus service which is there. Hourly bus service means what? That every half an hour bus will be there. Every half an hour bus will be there. तुम लोगों ने 1 घंटे का सोचा है. एक बस इधर से आ रही है, इधर से आएगी, तो every half an hour bus will be there. और any help you want to take, किसी को कुछ करना है, that thing is there. But you should know hourly bus service means hourly bus service दोनों साइड से. Okay. Now this thing will be common as far as this GP is concerned. Secondly was restoration of chemical. Now chest number 38 during the discussion he told कि restoration की क्या जरूरत है. If you remember, if this group remembers, ये told restoration क्या जरूरत है, फिर तो उसको blast होने तो क्या problem है. So that was also given that if the temperature is 32 there will be some problem. और उसका टाइम भी दे रखा था एवरी 1 hour कितना डिग्री, एवरी हाफ एन आवर 1 डिग्री हो रहा था. सो देन यू शुड नो कि यार इससे पहले करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स टाइम यू शुड कैलकुलेट कितने टाइम. गुड, ठीक है, बिफोर 10 वो ऐसे हो जाना चाहिए था. सो डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर सेल्फ कि जीपी होगी, सिंपल जीपी होगी, इसको तो फटाफट कर देंगे, ऐसे नहीं है. यू शुड start analyzing, और कैसे भी situation आए in the SSB, you will be able to solve this group line exercise which is there. Okay, now how many problems were there? Somebody not written the problems. मैं घबरा गया, मैंने देखा यार क्या चक्कर है, 5-6 चेक कर लिए, किसने प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं लिखी एक्सेप्ट वन पर्सन वाज इंजर्ड. उसके अलावा किसने ना केमिकल का किसने लिखा, ना किसी ने द पर्सन हु इज टू बी लेफ्ट हेड चाला उसका लिखा, ना उसने वीए पोस्ट पे जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स डिलीवर होने थे ना उसका लिखा. ओके, सो दैट थिंग शुड कीप इन माइंड. नाउ ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन इट मे बी फॉर दोज वे कम न्यू, उनके लिए ठीक है, इट मस्ट बी यू कैन से वाटरलू. व्हाट इज वाटरलू?
Napoleon lose at
बैटल ऑफ वाटरलू. So why this word is used Waterloo होगा, difficult होगा. So for some of you it might be difficult, but subsequently when you do other we'll do number of GPs which are there, so you'll come to know about it. And your problem of sir ये तो GP करवा दिए, so I prepared around 15-20 GPs. मैं देखता हूँ कौन बोलता है कि सर ये तो करवा दिए. Okay, any question, anyone? Any questions as far as this GP is concerned, or in general what should be there in GP, or if you have any questions or doubts which are there?
सर ये हाईवे जो हमें रिसोर्सेज स्पेसिफाई करी हुई होती है, जैसे कि बस.
Okay, just listen to him.
Can we assume that there for example there is a serious priority, a person is bleeding, and for that we need a vehicle. So do we go for the resources that have been given specifically?
You tell me one thing, like what chest number 121 was telling कि उस तरफ की क्या जरूरत है बस की. If some accident is there या कुछ होता है तो can't you take it on to the other side? उस तरफ ले जा सकते हो, नहीं ले जा सकते हो. Just see the distance which is involved. This side it is, how much it is there? 20 kilometer. This side it is 30 from here. आगे यहाँ तक भी तो होगा.
Yes, sir.
35, 37.
So which place you should take, nearest or farthest? farthest ले जाओगे तो क्या होगा, तुम्हारे ऊपर केस बन जाएगा कि तुमने मार दिया इसको.
छाला में असर नहीं है.
ओके, यू कैन गेट टू छाला, PSC में ले जा सकते हो. एज इट इज द डबल एडवांटेज इज देयर बिकॉज द मैन इटसेल्फ इज गोइंग देयर अपने रिलेटिव को देखने के लिए.
Sir, as we are stopping near a lake, so can we assume that there are tourists there and we can get there?
नो
Tourist
टूरिस्ट प्लेस तो स्पेसिफाई करी होगी.
But sir, they are having a break there, so that
तो ठीक है यार, वो तो ब्रेक उन्होंने बोल, ब्रेक तो तुम लोग भी रोक सकते हो.
लेक में मछलियां हो सकती
ओके,
हैं ज्यादा.
डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम इसी जीपी की आई विल मेक 3-4 जीपीस विद डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस व्हिच आर देयर. यस, उसको तो वो मारकर चले गए ना, तो हो सकता है उसका गाड़ी भी ले गए हो. और नहीं, सेकंड थिंग मैंने बोला तो है मेटल रोड. जरूरी है कि हर जगह हाईवे हो. मेटल रोड का मतलब क्या है? यू टेल मी वन थिंग, तुम गांव में रहते हो, शहर में रहते हो, कहीं भी रहते हो, चाहे तुम गांव की किसी ढाणी में भी रहते हो, रोड इज देयर. कभी रोड को खाली देखा है? एक्सेप्ट वो गाय भैंस बैठी होती है, उसके अलावा अदर देन दैट तुमने देखा होगा कोई ना कोई साइकिल, मोटरसाइकिल ये तो जाती रहती है. आजकल दूध बेचने वाला भी मोटरसाइकिल पे जाता है? आजकल लड़कियां भी मोटरसाइकिल पे आती हैं. हाँ, यस. नहीं, दैट ऑटो रिक्शा एक्सेट्रा that only can assume if the nearby places are there. ठीक है, हाईवे पे ऑटो रिक्शा वगैरह, ई रिक्शा वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा. if the Gunjarpur would have been here, then you could have assumed कि यहाँ से लेक पे को लोग घूमने आते होंगे, कुछ करते होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो आते होंगे. then you can assume. yes, हाँ बोल, कोई बात नहीं, whatever is in your mind सब बोलो, क्लियर करो. assumptions, logical assumptions are allowed. She is asking जीपी में assumptions allowed हैं कि नहीं है? Logical assumptions allowed हैं. ये नहीं कि तुम सारी की सारी चीजें, बस भी वहां ले आओ, कार भी ले आओ, है, और सर मैं तो, अच्छा अगर मैं मोबाइल देते तो तुम तो ओला उबर तो वहीं बुला लेते. हाँ
This will be keys दी उन्होंने फैक्ट्री के लिए. इसमें ये भी तो assumption है कि फैक्ट्री में कोई था नहीं उस टाइम पे.
किस में था नहीं? तुम जाके मैनेजर के पास में चाबी होते, वो जाके वो उसको वर्कर को देता है. अभी तुम बैंक में गए हो, कभी लॉकर खोला है?
उनके पास
मैनेजर उठ के जाता है क्या? वो गार्ड को दे देता है, किसी को देता था, यार ये खोल के आ जाए वाला लॉकर. हाँ
सर फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम में अगर मेंशन नहीं होता इस हालत में एसीएस होती रहती है, नहीं कर सकते.
ओके, इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन्ड, इसमें तो मैंने प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर डाल दिया. इफ इट इज नॉट देयर, तो वो इंजर्ड रिलेटिव को अगर देखने जा रहा है तो जरूर थोड़ी है वो वहां पीएचसी में ही है, घर में भी तो हो सकता है भाई. यार तुमने पट्टा वट्टा लगा रखा है, टांग में लगा रखा है, पूरे दिन हॉस्पिटल में थोड़ी रहो, घर पे भी तो रहोगे कुछ दिन. फिर कहीं और ले जाते उसको. अगर वो बोलता हेल्प हिम कि मैं उसको लेने जा रहा था उधर, देन कि मेरे को गुंजनपुर ले जाना था, देन योर प्रॉब्लम वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट. यस हाँ हाँ, प्रोवाइडेड वो दे. हाँ बात मैंने बोला ले सकते हो हेल्प. हाँ नहीं होते हैं, बट अगर वो इंजर्ड को मिलने जा रहा है, हाँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वहां पर हॉस्पिटल है. ये भी तो हो सकता है ना यार. एक मेरे को एक ओके नहीं, आप मेरे को एक चीज बताओ, कोई बीमार होता है, हॉस्पिटल से वापस ले आते हैं, तो मिलने नहीं जाते क्या उससे? जाते हो कि नहीं जाते हो? कोई हॉस्पिटल से डिस्चार्ज हो जाता है, उसको घर में मिलने जाते हो कि नहीं जाते हो? तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है फिर?